Stevie, what are you doing?
I like it.
Is it raining?
I'm taking a shower.
You're taking a shower?
Yeah.
You are so funny. Stevie, get out of there. It's raining too much. Stevie, come here. Stevie, come on. Oh my goodness. Stevie, come here. You're soaking wet.
Stevie's going to be taking the shower for real pretty soon after this.
Dad, do you want an umbrella? Bring me an umbrella. You are too funny.
You can shower.
Daddy's gonna get you an umbrella. Look at him. She's twirling. Put it over your head.
Hold it over your head, Stevie.
Put it over your head.
It's too heavy?
Oh shit, it's gonna break. Put it over your head, sweetheart. Hold it in both hands.
Two hands. Oh my gosh, it's raining hard.
Hi. How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. I'm gonna go get my umbrella. Put it over your head. Put it over your head.
Shower. You can shower.
Stevie.
You can shower.
Can you get me an umbrella? Let's get one more umbrella. Finish recording, huh? Is it raining hard, Stevie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look, I got an umbrella, Stevie.
Me too. I got a black one.
Roast Colorado.
I got a
I
black
can't see your
one.
face.
I got a blue one.
I got a black one.
Lift it up, Stevie.
Sit down a little bit.
Okay, here you go. You can record because I got to flip the burgers.
Here, Mom.
Here, you take the blue one and I'll take the black one. Take your boy.